Welcome to Glow Fit Guide, your ultimate destination for health and fitness. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or looking to level up, we've got something for everyone. Quick and effective workouts. From quick morning stretches to intense cardio sessions, from strength training to yoga. Our easy-to-follow videos are designed to fit into your busy schedule and help you get the most out of your workouts. Delicious and healthy recipes. And it's not just about exercise. We also share delicious, healthy recipes and nutrition tips to fuel your body right. Join our community. Join our community of fitness enthusiasts and start your journey to a healthier, happier you. We upload new content regularly to keep you motivated and on track. Subscribe now. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's get glowing together. Subscribe now for your glow-up journey.